Hello, teacher. My name is Kimi Tamara, International Warsaw. My experience in San Andres is like I was at the Sol Caribe Sea Flower with local included very friend. It's all very spacious rooms, no small bowl, no so good food, little varied but desserts and only two hints. The best breakfast, along with the fruit with that are delicious, especially pineapple and blueberry. Native taste is very good all over the east. I recommend it Jonikai and I love the aquarium. They are cheap and the places are pointed though not stopped down. Thus, the only con is that there are so many people since they are in front of the island. Very good reason to they cave you turn the mangroves and the two aquarium where the mountains open and you can take on with that with the beast. I recommend it. I did not see romance novel, but I read it were me to be careful, especially at night, not to move it away from the center of the beach. With is where there are more people. In the center of this island, poverty is seen, and they say that in these downwards winds going along, the inhabitants are calling for authors. I felt things live on the bed, and I never missed anything. All with experience was wonderful. Thank you very much.